Okay, so my application is a web scraper that allows you to build a menu for Thanksgiving. So to run it, we type /bin/run, and then when we start, it asks you to type an item that you want to see recipes of. So we can type in anything. We'll type in turkey because I want to add a turkey recipe to my menu. So when we type an item, it searches for items and builds a list of 10 recipes. And we can type the number of the recipe we want to see more about. So I'll type in 3. And then when we do that, we see all the details of the recipe. And we can choose whether or not we want to add this recipe to our menu. I don't want to add this recipe, so I'll go back. And we'll choose a different one. Instant pot Thanksgiving turkey. Let's go with that. And you can type in anything you want. We want mashed potatoes, so we'll add some mashed potatoes to our menu. So one thing to note about how my program works. So what you're seeing is one recipe, but there's also sub recipes. So these spiced pecans, filling, the crust, they're each their own recipe and they belong to this main recipe. And spiced pecan has its own directions and ingredients, and then crust and filling only have ingredients, and then because there's no directions specified. So for the, yeah. When you're all done adding items to your menu, you type exit to end, and you get a big printout of each recipe. And you can copy and paste this and put it in a notepad document if you wanted to save it. That's it.